The chairman of Sanjay Ghodawat Group, Sanjay Ji Dhyanchand Ghodawat's family comes from Rajasthan, who came to Jaisinghpur for business and for their past 3 generations are residing here. Sanjay Ghodawat was born and brought up in the small town Jaisinghpur and went to Mallu High School for his schooling and then to Kolhapur completed his mechanical engineering course. From his childhood, he nurtured big dreams of making it big in the world of business and had an entrepreneur spirit imbibed in him. He was always at the forefront in school, activities and sports and always used to lead on every occasion. The inspiration to be a businessman was drawn from idols like Ratan Tata, whom he admired and followed closely. Initially, after completion of his education, Sanjay Ghodawat was true to his entrepreneurial calling and inclination and ventured into business of aluminium and was unsuccessful. In fact, in the initial years, he was let down many times in many of his business ventures and startups. But it is his undying spirit and never give up attitude that kept him trying. He started his consumer products in the 90s and used to drive thousands of kilometers in his tempo personally, driving his products in every shop. Slowly he started tasting success as people showed their liking and interest for his products because of their uncompromised quality. He had also learned many business lessons by now, like success of business depends upon how well you can read your balance sheet, or the importance of teamwork and preparing leaders and delegating responsibilities. Sanjay Ghodawat Group was now established as a competitive conglomerate with 10,000 employees under his aegis. Slowly, the efforts of meticulous planning and reaping started showing a harvest of dividends, and Sanjay Ghodawat Group ventured into consumer products under the brand name Star, like rice, salt, edible oil, confectionery, export quality jaggery, pulses, atta, turmeric powder, and soft drinks under the brand names Fizinga and Fruit Star. Also, the business spans to marble mining, textiles, real estate, floriculture, horticulture, wind turbines, aviation, and education, with the commencement of Sanjay Ghodawat Group of institutions in the year 2009, catering to 15,000 students from KG to PhD level, and its rise and involvement to Sanjay Ghodawat University in the year 2017. The chairman Sanjay Ghodawat and his organizations are recipients of many awards and accolades in the journey to success: Maharashtra State Vanashri Puraskar, Bharatiya Udyog Ratna Award, 50 Outstanding Educational Entrepreneurs of India, Global Young Entrepreneur Award, Inspiring Business Leaders of the Nation through Economic Times, Corporate Excellence Awards through IMED, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Jain Ratna Award, Samaj Bhushan Gaurav Award, and Game Changers of Maharashtra Award through Economic Times. The future plans are to commence a pan-India air service of airplane and helicopter, and already the Star Air has got the permission to fly from Belgaum to different cities of the country and will commence its services from May 2018. Export jaggery production to substitute sugar intake, and a plan of jaggery has already started at Chhapri. Also, in the education sector, the chairman's dream is to help Sanjay Ghodawat University be recognized among the leading educational names of the globe. The chairman attributes his success to the blessings of his father, Mr. Dhyanchand Ji Ghodawat. The dreams imparted by him by his late mother, Mrs. Shushila Dhyanchand Ghodawat. The unstinted support of his wife, Mrs. Neeta Ghodawat. His 2 children for their love, Shrenik and Shreya Ghodawat, and of course to the society and all his team and family of Sanjay Ghodawat Group. Sanjay Ghodawat is fond of automobiles, bikes, is a fitness freak, and spends quality time every day in his personal gymnasium. He loves playing cricket, badminton, tennis, and also loves swimming. He's also a trained, certified and licensed pilot for both private helicopter and fixed wings airplane. He's also been an active blood donor and donated his blood over 68 times till date at various occasions.